Kungaqhubeka la kunenhloso khona yokuthi sesiyawina manje akunankinga ukumasha akaze sisho ukuthi ke thina akungamasho kodwa ukumasha ongenenhloso fuseke leyo nto leyo ukumasha ongena benefit fuseke leyo nto leyo ukumasha okungena umhlangano o decisive yabona mina only meet one man president meeting another president and then we lay down the solution because we can never sit here and be bold that ukuklina kwethu izwe njengoba siklina ngayo umonakalo wa 30 years it does not affect the economy. It does affect the economy. It's a responsibility of the government to make sure ukuthi usilalela kwakhe kuba nemphumela. Ngilapha ke hipho mina ukuzokwenza isiqiniseko la eUven namhlanje ngomhla ka5 ukuzo fulfill the promise eyenziwa iHillbrow kanye neUven yokuthi ngomhla ka5 we will engage on a postmortem about the meeting of these two stations with the provincial commissioner and the Panyaza Lusofi so that how do we implement and unfold uklina amadolobha iHillbrow kanye neUven ngoba ikakhulukazi into enethita ama-drugs naseyithita ama-hijack buildings. If their strategy is not implemented correctly iyona ezo-affecta the whole nation. Mangangibuza everyone know hijack buildings. Government, normal you are not in government, but you know hijack buildings and they are not being targeted and everyone knows where drugs are. Dingi warrant of search is for service you apply kantolo, you are giving a criminal an opportunity and everyone knows what police officers and law enforcement, some of them they are corrupt, they are working with criminals, so we are in this mess as a result of them. So we are cleaning the nation, we are cleaning Hillbrow, and we want to make the example about the Hillbrow and UVEL into the entire South Africa that into omehluko ingenzeka. Namhlanje ke sohlangana nenduna nazi siyangena nje manje ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibone uma station wala UVEL bese siba nama date implementation. Then when we march for good cause. And then when we engage in meetings that will bring result and decision, not drink tea or coffee whatsoever. That's nonsense. Yabo. So, iloko nyikanza kwethu. About indaba yentombazane le. Ngemqala mina umuntu ongabhungi kanjeni. And yabona siqala ukubasaba abantu abanje yani. Yabona. And
mhlawumbe indaba ezitha ake siphinde size la njengoba silapha nje njengamanje ubulapha nje nilapha eHillbrow njengamanje abantu njengamanje bafuna ukuzwa ukuthi ikhona neplan already njengamanje esikhona enizongena ngayo emabuilding mhlawumbe asikhona nanga information ama-plan ukuthi ngizongena kanjani emabuilding manje.
Yes, njengamanje sizofanyenza lokho. Already plan ikhona. Johannesburg will be shaken. In good cause. The whole Johannesburg will be shaken in good cause. And ngizoyibona leyo nto leyo yenzeka maduzane nje yabona. And futhi ngicacisa lokuthi amanye amaplani that will be implemented and that will unfold in the society will not be announced. Because asikwazi ukuthi igebingu it will be a top secret yabona. It will be a top secret engagement ukuthi cha nakho ileyo nto ezokwenzeka leyo ngoba once we pre-announce our operations thina ke we allow a law enforcement to do their job and thina will be there as leaders, as abantu who are the witness ukuthi ngempela lokho besikhala ngakho finally sekuyenzeka lokho umphakathi okhala ngakho finally sekuyenzeka. And then I can promise the people of South Africa that they will see a massive change around Heathrow and New Vale. And uguquko ke alumnandi endaba esithi alumnandi uguquko ngoba ufana nomjovo ubuhluma ungena ukuthi usuku uzokusiza into ekanjalo ke sokwenzakala.
Abezithi ake siphume kancane nje lapho ke siye lapha na kune topic mhlawumbe engafuna ukuzicomment yakho uMr Panyazeli Sufu uke wenza i-comment lapha usho Mr Zulisme Daba sorry uke wenza i-comment lapha na ku X uTwitter njengamanje wathi ke amaZulu asaziwona mhlawumbe ngathini i-comment yakho lapha
etazaziwona
wathi amaZulu
no ikhona ivideo engiyayibona ngicabanga ukuthi bekwethe kama podcast angalo mi podcast kambuyisa Ndlozi noma ngabuyiseka ekabani podcast but what's surprising me ukuthi uzwenze Mavavi omunye wobaholi benyunyana abahlonishwa kakhulu eNingizimu Afrika kade benobaba uBrand Zimanda ibona bathatha umsholozi bayombeka ePolokwane ngo-2007 nawo ngabe nakusiza lapho wena wawusemncane kakhulu. And then emveni kwalokho mawuthi uyibuka yonke le nto leyo mayenzeka i-driving force uZuma has been very discriminated as a result of the power of the Zulu nation. In Zulu nation, we are the dominant in terms of language and in terms of culture, loving our own culture. We are dominant, even on screen. We are dominant. That can't be a secret. That is a result of triangle force. That is a result of ukuthi amakhosi akithi kusukela kuShaka Sibumba buza amakhosini akithi ngengwaba lonke kodwa kuze inkosini ecetshwayo eyanqoba amangisi esandlwane uzoza kuDlokombane elekelelwa kakhulu umntwana kwaphinda ngene ukuthi iqapho lethu nolimi lwethu lume lunganyakaseki because amangisi they knew exactly ukuthi who to target. We were the target as a Zulu nation. We are not a tribe. We are the Zulu nation. And then ukuthi yena uzosethuka if you think ukuthi uShembe ungomlando wakhe esuka kwaZulu waze wayokwakha intabazwe eFree State, why are you amaNazaretha mayisungulwa asuke eFree State ehle njalo uStimela Samampondo uMbombela wakwazi ukuthi achieve into enkulu kangaka using iZulu culture and mawuze ihlabelelo zakwaShembe namahubo akwaZulu they are more or less the same yabona. And mawuthi uyalalela futhi ukuthi umlando kaKhongolose 1912 lo uKhongolose warepresenta leliso is an only movement esinayo eNingizimu Afrika, only movement ngoba emasikhuluma ngenhlangano sikhuluma ngenhlangano ekhona ehlangene ngenhloso yokurepresenta izwe bese kuzothi laba abanye abakhona njengamanje bazalwa uyena uKhongolose vele ngoba bangamaqembu. Igama lithi iqembu liqhamuka esenzweni ukumbuka is to run away from home with a hope of something else that you don't know. And then bese mawusungula ke organization yakho nawe uthola abantu aba-angry ngapha uthola abanye abantu abahlangene ngapha and then you say usuyiqembu le-EFF siyiqembu le-IFP siyiqembu le-NFP siyiqembu yabona le-COPE. So and then ngoba baqembukile isenzo sabo bambukile yabona, so they've decided to ukuthi baphume amaqhiba abo. So njengamanje ke if we are serious about these issues mowe abuthi yabuka umongameli oqala kaKhongolose uJohn Langalibalele owabekwa ngomhla ka-8 January 1912 eFree State wayumZulu uphinde wasungula ilanga waphinde futhi uShembe wahlangana neSilo uDinuzo yabona uMamonga usuthi akabulali yasisi. So that combo and that combination, it shows that they know where the power is. Or Dr. Seme from the Zulu Nation, or Baba Ultuli from the Zulu Nation, even Nelson Mandela, ala now voter, 1994. Wafika wayoma pay we candidate tuna. Nigga John Langanbane Dube is the first president of the African National Congress. What he, dear Mr. President, I am standing here before you to tell you that today South Africa is free. Wayengavoteli ngani kuno Eastern Cape, wayengavoteli ngani eNew Buildings, wayengavoteli ngani eCape Town, wayengavoteli ngani eHowick lapha abashaya khona, to prove that element of freedom in this country. And then, but he have chosen a very significant historical moment where he stood in the head of an ancestral president of the movement called ANC. So uZwelizwe Mavavi uyinhlumyedla uyasidakelwa. Ngelinye ilanga uzophaphama uZwelizwe Mavavi ethukuZulu ethuka noShembe ethi why uShembe is busy ehlangana ngalendlela ahlangana ngayo egida uShembe uzinefobia ayikho into njengaleyo. Isikhundleni sokuthi yena lo mbombo wenja ouzwelizwe Mavavi ozama ukuzovuka ngokugibela igagasi likaZulu elikhulu kuna wonke amagagasi kulelizwe eke uyasinyela uZwelizwe Mavavi yabona akaqhubeka yena namaphilisi kashukela ekabaye ibambo ilapha lamakhensa amasende oZwelizwe Mavavi bayeke usixovela izwe before they die. Because there is an insult to the entire work that they have been working with the old people of this country in South Africa. It's a pure insult. And I even told Julius Malema that you are hating wrong people. We are the most loving nation. We are most welcoming nation. And we are powerful when we don't take nonsense. Wapeta, Zakati. Usululo. Thina sixoshe abantu eSouth Africa aba illegally nezwi. We are God friends by the voice. God created in heaven and earth by the voice. And isigodlo sikaNkulunkulu sibizwa ngezulu. Yithi amazulu singabasezulwini. So uShembe molda a cultural relation ngozulu. Yithi abantu, yithi amazulu. So we love other tribes as we are the nation. We have been proving that beyond reasonable doubt. We forcefully went to Eastern Cape to make sure that no, akonkosi ama Nigeria athoshwa la. Sama nophakela madoda imfene yami madoda. Kama khala khona lapha. So namhlanje umXhosa nomZulu bayinto and we can't be defeated. Lokho kusho ukuthi we can't debate about issues. We will carry on debate about issues, but Zwelizwe fuck off. Instead of encouraging the young ones that Zulus can be taken as a lesson ukuthi umntwana ophinda ngene isilo samabandla wonke have make sure ukuthi even during 1994 mind you umntwana ophinda ngene wayemsheshi wayikhonza kakhulu isonto way academics ngokwemfundo aphinde futhi abe umuntu okhonza kakhulu inkolo kodwa wakwazi ukupreserve a cultural heritage of the Zulu nation. Sasifunda ngisho esikoleni although yena wayefuna ukufeza inhloso zakhe zepolitiki ngokwenkathi but it help us. Uzovimba uthini umkhumbi wempikaZulu, uzovimba uthini amabhinqa bekhona ongizwa umculo, uzovimba uthini amabhinqa esabalele lonke ama-university. We are the future of this country and we will lead this country and we will change this country and we love all our tribes and our nations that are amongst us. And we are not here to collapse our economy. We are here to make sure that we want the change and the change must happen now and we must be the part of the change.